Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Codeless Magics. Today we are going to learn what is Salesforce. Salesforce is the world's leading customer relationship management platform. That means in simple terms we can say it's a cloud that provides various solutions such as sales, services, marketing as well as the analytics cloud at a single platform. So if you consider a Coca-Cola as an example, Coca-Cola operates a large number of vending machines all over the world. So Coca-Cola need to track all the sales as well as if any breakdown happened to the vending machine, it should take the service request and service it as well as it should maintain the security as well as it should make the marketing campaigns in order to improve sales as well as it should maintain all the insights of data, the sales data. So for this, the Coca-Cola requires a large amount of resources such as money, software engineers in order to service the request of the vending machine as well as a marketing team as well as security tools. So for a big company like Coca-Cola, it sounds hectic, right? So this took Salesforce as an opportunity and created the platform to maintain all these services at a single go. As we discussed earlier about the Sales Cloud, here in this Coca-Cola example, the Sales Cloud track all the sales data as well as the customer data and the inventory data. And coming to the Service Cloud, when the vending machine breakdowns, it will create a case automatically in the Sales Cloud that the vending machine is having a problem, and it sends the case to the required technician in order to service the request. And coming to Marketing Cloud, it tracks all the customer data and create personalized recommendations as well as it sends personalized email through WhatsApp or emails. And the last one is Analytic Cloud. Analytic Cloud, also called as Einstein AI, it gives the real-time statistics or real-time insights of the data from the Salesforce org and create the data visualization such as reports and dashboards. These are the four main clouds in the Salesforce. Based on the requirement, the customer may choose any of the cloud. Like if a customer only wants the sales to track their data, they use Sales Cloud. So if a customer requires a cloud for marketing or promotions, he choose Marketing Cloud. So if a customer want real-time insights, he can choose Analytic Cloud. So if a customer want to automate the service request, he chooses Service Cloud. So that's it. Let us see more about Salesforce in the upcoming videos. Thank you.